Good morning students, welcome to your GK class and this is your book Knowledge Magazine for the year 2020 and 21. So we'll start with the first chapter, that is at the hospital. When you go to the hospital to visit a patient or a relative, so what are the do's and don'ts we have to follow in the hospital in the patient's room? So today we'll do that. In this exercise, we have to tick on the do's and cross on the don'ts. First is, wish the patient get well soon, right? Whenever we go to visit a patient, we have to wish them get well soon. Make noise in the patient's room, wrong. हमें कभी भी noise नहीं करनी चाहिए patient के room में. Talk loudly to the patient, wrong. हमें कभी भी patient से loudly नहीं बात करनी चाहिए. Ask the patient if he or she needs something, right? Whenever you visit someone, you have to make sure that you ask them that they need something or no. Take flowers for the patient if she or he likes them, yes. Take fresh flowers or a bouquet for the patient. Take all your friends along to visit the patient, wrong. हमें friends का gang या बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं लेके जाना चाहिए patient के room में because he is ill and sick as well. Began to play in the patient's room, wrong. हमें कभी भी patient के room में खेलना नहीं चाहिए because it's not a playground. Take your pet dog to visit him or her, wrong, because dogs make noise and then the patient can get irritated. Stay for a long time with the patient only if necessary, yes. If अगर patient को ज़रूरत है आपकी, then you have to make sure that आप सब वहीं पर रहिए. And if it's not necessary, you can move out. Carry some junk food for the patient, wrong. We have to not carry any of the junk food because the patient is ill and he have to take some liquid or a very light food. Visit the patient even if you have cold, wrong. If you are not sick, if you are sick and if you go to patient to visit, then the patient may not feel good. Like हमारी तबीयत ही अच्छी नहीं है and we go to ask them, then it won't look good. When you are sick or you are having cold, you have to not go a patient to visit. Help the patient in case she or he needs something. Yes, हमें हमेशा सबकी help करनी चाहिए and patient की भी. Call the doctor or nurse if the patient feels uncomfortable, right? If the patient is not feeling well or uncomfortable, immediately call the doctor or the nurse who is available there, right? Leave the room when the patient asks you to do something, wrong. If you have not leave the room suddenly, we have to see the patient. If he is comfortable, then we can leave the patient, else we can't. Now the next chapter is who am I? This is the question answers that you have to do at your own in the book. When I meet in the next class, I'll make sure that you all have done your work with this page number 9 in your book. You have in this you have to write about yourself, that what are your hobbies, who is your best friend, the thing due to which he or she is my best friend. The thing I like about my class is, something I want to tell my teacher is, I don't like people who I am at my best when I. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? When you feel that you are very good in anything, so what is that? I love my father because he is. I love my mother because she. I wish my parents when you wish your parents or any occasion that you have to write here. I trust those people who, the people on which you trust the most, you have to write here. My aim is to be. And at the last, what's your aim in the life or what's your goal that you want to do? So that's it with the GK class today. For today, we'll meet in the next session. Until do this chapter number 9. It's your homework. Thank you.